first question says work out the mean of 5, 9, 3, and 5. So when you're trying to work out the mean of like a data set, what we do is we add the numbers, especially in the case of ungrouped data, and divide that by the number of values. So we will add 5 to 9 to 3 and to 5, which is basically going to give us 22, and divide that by the number of values, which is 4. So 22 divided by 4 is going to give us 5.5. That is your mean value. Next question says that Sophie buys a caravan for 8,000 pounds. She pays a deposit of 3,000 pounds and then pays the rest over 20 equal monthly payments. How much is each monthly payment? So firstly, if she's paying 3,000 deposit, so if we subtract 8,000 and 3,000, that's going to give us 5,000. So now this 5,000 pounds is being equally distributed in 20 months. So for each month, her payment is going to be 5,000 divided by 20, which is basically 250 pounds. Next question says Khalil is X years old. Jennifer is 3 years younger than Khalil. Write an expression for Jennifer's age. So if she's 3 years younger than Khalil, that means it's going to be X minus 3, because we're going back 3 years. And then it says Connor is twice as old as Khalil. So if Khalil is X years old, Connor is going to be 2X. Next question says increase 60 pounds by 30%. So we will do 60 plus 30% of 60. The reason why we're adding 30% of 60 is because we're increasing 60 pounds by 30%. So whatever that percentage is of 60, we add that to 60 pounds. So that's going to be 60 plus 80, which is going to be 78 pounds. Next question says reflect triangle A in the y-axis. So let's begin with highlighting the y-axis. We're going to reflect triangle A in this axis. So that means what's going to happen is that our x coordinates are going to change. Y coordinates are going to be exactly the same. Why? Because the y-axis acts as a mirror line. So like it's a complete reflection in the y-axis. So if we pick this point is 4 units away from the y-axis. So it's going to be 4 units away on the y-axis on the right-hand side as well. Same goes for this. And this one is 2 units away. So that's going to come over here. So now if we join these points, we have the reflection of triangle A in the y-axis. And that's your answer.